Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on airplane mode immediately. This cuts radio transmissions and complies with flight rules. Open Settings or swipe Control Center, then tap the airplane mode icon. Once done, verify cellular and radio indicators vanish. This prevents roaming or signals. Make sure you have essential files offline. Download maps or media before takeoff. Also plug in if battery is low, since you'll likely rely on offline apps. Charging now avoids interruptions later. Next, configure connectivity and apps. If the airline permits, you may re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth while keeping cellular off. This gives internet or accessory access without transmitting cell signals. Make sure Do Not Disturb is active to avoid sounds from notifications, and pause app updates to save power. Now open the apps you'll use: music, podcasts, maps, ebooks, and test playback or offline search. This ensures a smooth experience. If something fails, retry after toggling the app or Wi-Fi off and on. Finish with quick checks. Validate airplane mode remains enabled during critical phases of flight, and that any permitted Wi-Fi or Bluetooth stays configured correctly. If a song or map won't load, force close the app or restart your phone. This often clears temporary glitches. For Wi-Fi problems, forget the network and reconnect, as saved credentials can corrupt. If Bluetooth accessories fail, turn them off and back on. If nothing helps, reboot the device. Most stubborn issues resolve with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.